In this video we're going to be quickly talking about how you can get your Bitget referral code. So for this, simply what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're logged into your Bitget account and you're going to come over to bitget.com/events/referral. So over here what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to click on invite friends, and what happens from there is they're going to give you your referral code that you can use to send people, and if they use your referral code to sign in, you're going to get tons and tons of different rewards, BTC airdrops worth $15 up to 500 US and a whole lot more. So yeah, just come over to bitget.com/events/referral and get your referral code right now. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.